Hello everyone, welcome back to Good to Know. I'm John.
I'm Rebecca.
And we want to thank you for choosing this channel
For our reviews.
So let's go see what we got today.
This is the coolest gift box I have seen in a long time for any jewelry, like a ring, earrings, bracelet. It's a little puzzle box. Now, I know where the opening is, and it opens right here, and it has a nice little cute ring in it. But I'm going to take this out so I can show you what else it does. It has a magnetic closure, so if you don't know exactly where the opening is, open it like that, and then you can lift up on it like that. And then you have a, what is this, a hexagonal?
A lot of dimensions.
A lot of dimensions on there. And it opens up to the flat side.
Yeah, keep going.
There's just so many ways to use this. It's just really, really cool. This would make an excellent gift box for anybody from a teenager, boy or girl, on up to an adult. Adults really, you know, if you've got an adult in your life that really likes puzzles, this is going to make their day. You're going to enjoy this, especially if you give them something nice inside of it. So.
And they sell boxes. They have a bunch of these boxes.
Yes, the company has different kinds of boxes, different sizes. They can customize a box for you. If you have a piece that you want to have a box created for, they can do that for you too. They do candy boxes, jewelry boxes, boxes. Their possibilities are kind of endless on that. I just like playing with it. It's really kind of neat. Make a big giant
Rubik's Cube,
yes,
thing, whatever. Yeah.
Little, like a big giant dice. Anyway, it's lightweight. It's covered in paper, but you can, if you want to get it customized, you can get any color combination that you want. So go give them a check out.
It's felt where the ring went.
Right, this is felt, and it comes with the little ring compartment. Put your ring in. We'll give a close-up of this ring. Show you how good it looks in the box, because I just really like it a lot. And there we go. So make sure you give them a visit at giftboxesfactory.com. That's giftboxesfactory.com. Thank you for joining me for this quick little review. I'm Rebecca. John's behind the camera. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Give us some thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications. And leave us a comment. Share the video everywhere. And most important, y'all come back. Bye.